The IRS started cutting stimulus checks in mid-April, and it's already gotten money to nearly 90 million people. That's good news for everyone who's received the payment, and now they have $1,200 in hand to use as they see fit as the country manages to survive with the coronavirus outbreak and its massive health and financial consequences. But it's another source of stress for everybody who is still waiting for their money. There are reasons for the delays, but first, here's where things stand so far on those checks. The IRS had distributed 88.1 million stimulus checks as of April 17 and paid out $157.96 billion according to statistics released on April 24. That is more than half of the $290 billion put aside for direct payments to individuals in the $2.2 trillion bill called the CARES Act. The IRS started mailing paper checks during the week of April 20, according to a timeline from the House Ways and Means Committee. The IRS is slated to put approximately 5 million checks in the mail each week for up to 20 weeks. The agency started mailing checks to the people who have the smallest income first, as per the timeline. Here are some reasons that you still may not have gotten a stimulus check, and in some cases what you can do to speed up the process. But before we go there, please subscribe to our channel for more updates. The IRS doesn't have your bank account information on file. Approximately 14 million Americans don't have bank accounts. According to Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation survey from 2017, that's about 6.5% of American households. The FDIC is urging people to open bank accounts so they can get their stimulus money quicker. After opening a bank account, consumers can submit their banking information to the IRS. If you don't file tax returns, you need to submit the account information via an IRS website. People who have filed but did not give the IRS their banking information can submit direct deposit information through an IRS tool called Get My Payment. The tracking tool can also show payment status, but some people have complained that the tool doesn't give them any information. There are reasons for non-answer according to the IRS. For example, it could be that agency isn't done processing the person's 2019 return. It could also be the person typically doesn't file a tax return and has submitted a non-filer information via the IRS web portal, which is still being processed. We update Get My Payment data once per day overnight, so there is no need to check more often. The IRS says on its website, a Spanish language version of Get My Payment will be available in a couple of weeks, according to the IRS. You make too much money. Some people might not be getting $1,200 stimulus payments right now because they make too much money. The CARES Act authorized the $1,200 payments to individuals making below $75,000 and $2,400 to married couples earning under $150,000. The program also pays parents $500 for each child aged 17 and under. The payments declined by $5 for every $100 above the $75,000 or $150,000 threshold. Anyone making over $99,000 doesn't qualify, nor do couples making over $198,000. People who exceed the income limit might still have a chance at the money next year. That's because the stimulus payments are technically an advance credit for next year's taxation. The credit is just being paid right now. Someone else is claiming you as a dependent. Some young adults might be missing out on stimulus money because their parents have claimed them as a dependents. When it comes to stimulus checks, the IRS counts a dependent as age 17 and under. But if the IRS is only reviewing a return of 2018, it could be looking back at a point in time when someone was a high school senior when now they are in the college. Debt collectors could be taking your money. Consumer advocates have pointed out the wordings of the CARES Act does not prevent private debt collectors from seizing stimulus checks that suddenly came into a bank account. There are steps consumers can take to keep their stimulus money out of the debt collector's hands. One way is to cash your stimulus check without depositing into your bank account. Your immigration status could be complicating matters. The government is paying the stimulus checks to US citizens. The checks are also going to certain categories of non-US citizens. This includes legal permanent residents, also known as green card holders according to the IRS. But if someone still has a green card application pending, they may not be getting stimulus check, at least not anytime soon. US Citizenship and Immigration Services field offices, which administer in-person interviews before issuing green cards, closed temporarily in March because of the crisis. As of now, offices are closed until June 3. Immigration lawyer Alan Orr also said that marriage to a green card holder doesn't necessarily mean a second stimulus check. So these are the 5 reasons that can affect your stimulus check payment.